Okay, welcome to lesson 8. I bet you thought that this lesson was going to be about lemonade, but it's not. I do have something in mind for these lemons at the end of the lesson though, but I thought maybe I'd just get your attention, you know, the lemonade stories and all. So today we are going to work on lesson 8. So that is on page 19 in your packet. So go ahead and open up to page 19. We're going to be generating tables from graphs, generating tables and graphs from equations. So a lot of this is learning how to punch things into your calculator or use order of operations. So once you're open to it, we're going to do the first one together like this. The only reason I'm doing it like this and not the way I used to do it with the camera is because I had a lot of positive feedback from you saying you liked it this way better. So I'm going to do my best, but it could get a little tricky for me, so be patient. So what you're going to see is on the top right here is the data table that I've created here. So what we're going to do is plug -6 into this equation. So what the top is saying is this is x. If x is -6, what would y come out to be? So I'm going to write the equation down, kind of on the side or on scrap paper. Like this. I'm going to plug -6 in for x. So y equals 1/3 times x, which is -6, plus 6. Okay? So this right here, 1/3 times -6. Here, you want to see something really fast? This is my daughter showing me her card. Okay? She's making this for our friend Sue, who has had surgery. Sorry, awesome watch. Oh, get well soon. Okay, thank you. It's very good. Go, 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 go. Okay. So right here, when you do 1/3 times -6, I like to do this is really over 1. So if I do this in my head, which I prefer to do than using a calculator, so I want to show you that, you're really doing -6 divided by 3. So because the -6 is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator, and you get -2. -2 plus 6 is 4. So y equals 4. Sorry, when x is -6. Let's go ahead and punch that in. I actually had the wrong graph on my key, which confused me for a minute. It made me think that my work was wrong. So we'll do it a lot quicker from here on out. So you're going to fill in your chart. We're not going to do the whole thing together, but we're going to do -6. So 1/3 times -6 plus 6 gave us 4. So I'm filling that in right here. And what that does is right here gives us the coordinate that we can then plot. So we're going to do -6, comma 4. So when x is -6, y is 4. So let's do the next one together. I'm not going to do it on the board the way I just did. So you're going to do, instead of, right here, instead of plugging in -6, you're going to plug in -3. So you're going to do 1/3 times -3 plus 6. So write that down with me. 1/3 times -3 plus 6. And of course, you have your calculator. How could we do this with the calculator? Well, for most of them, you have, if you have the yellow calculator, it's much easier to put the fractions in. But for this one, you're going to do 1 ABC button, which is here. Where is it? Right here. 3. So 1 ABC 3 times -3, enter, which gives me -1. -1 plus 6. Oops, syntax error. So I just put the answer in, plus 6. It gives me 5. So when x is -3, y is 5, like so. So the next point is going to be -3, 5. So we can go ahead and plot that. I'm going to do all my points at once. So let's do the next one. The next one is we're going to put in 0 for x. So I'm going to plug this in and then show you the line before I do the calculations. So I'm going to do 1/3 times 0 plus 6. Are you trying this with me? Because I'm hoping that you're trying it And then when I hold it up, you are checking to see if you have what I have. So what is 1/3 times 0? 0. And then 0 plus 6 is 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. So I have the point